In addition to the Galaxy Ring being the showpiece, Samsung is scheduled to make other significant announcements during its second Unpacked event of the year, which will take place in Paris, France. The 7.6-inch inner display of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a resolution of 2160x 1856 QXGA+ and is billed as Dynamic AMOLED 2X. Furthermore, the phone has a 6.3-inch front display with an HD+ resolution of 986 by 2376 pixels. Both screens support a refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz and are adaptable. S Pen support and a color depth of 16 meters are other included. With a large Cortex-X4 core operating at 3.39 GHz, two little Cortex-520 cores reaching 2.2 GHz, and Cortex-A720 clusters delivering 2.9 GHz and 3.1 GHz in peak performance. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU for Galaxy is an octa-core processor. Additionally, it has an Adreno GPU with a 1 GHz frequency. Samsung will once again be providing a triple camera setup on its book-style folding phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which will have 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB storage choices. A 50 megapixels wide-angle camera with AF 1.8 aperture and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera with AF 2.2 aperture and a 120 degrees field of view will be part of the setup. Autofocus and OIS are supported on these cameras, and the 10 megapixels telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture will provide 3x optical zoom and up to 30x digital magnification. We may infer from the aperture sizes that Samsung is employing the same camera setup for selfies once again. Similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung will use the same setup. The 4MP camera underneath the display will have AF 1.8 aperture, while the 10MP selfie camera in front will have AF 2.2 aperture. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 features a 4400 mAh battery pack, much like its predecessor, and Samsung hasn't changed anything about it. Although we don't yet have any information on charging speeds, we anticipate them to change somewhat from last year. When it comes to pricing, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will begin selling in the US for $1,899 in November. In comparison to their predecessors, every option has increased by $100. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.